Now, we also talked a little bit about who do you contact when something goes clearly wrong. And so you're also going to have escalation paths. So if you find a customer credit card data exposed on an open public server, you need to know exactly who to call first and whether or not it is within the scope to pause testing to look at that in more detail. And this exam is going to often ask about pausing testing. If you're ever unsure, you're reading an exam question, you're like, I don't know if I would pause testing or if I would just notify and keep going. If you're not sure, if you're reading the question, you're like, I don't know, pause. Okay. Lean towards that default of I'm going to pause the test because I found blah, whatever it is, right? If you're not sure. Now, sometimes you don't need to pause testing and it'll be clearly outlined in that scenario within that question. But if you're ever reading a question, you're like, I don't know, pause. Okay. Just go with that as your default if you're unsure. That typically is the answer. Okay. And then, of course, you're going to detail your findings. You're going to put this in a document and you're going to deliver it securely to your client.